guys, so today we're having our garage door installed. So the contractor is here right now doing the work for us. Okay, so now he's actually welding the metal piece for us, look like. I tell you, God is so amazing because our appointment was actually for 1:30, but he came around 11 o'clock, I guess, maybe 11:15, maybe between the hours of 11:15 and 11:30, he was here. So super grateful for that. So now I'm just waiting for some more contractors to come in to deliver my bed on today. So stay tuned. Bedroom setup came out really nice. Today I'll be receiving my Chester and placing it in this area by the nightstand table. Because now I don't have to let the garage up by hand. Yes.